Hi guys, quick update lang tayo dito kay Grass. Update natin dito yung price action niya na kung saan nagkaroon siya dito ng retest within 1.25 cents. Right now, the price action is 1.12. No? So, pag-uusapan natin dito yung kanyang price action, the probabilities, kung bakit siya dito nagkaroon ng pagtaas ng presyo after retesting yung 78-79 cents, no? So pag-uusapan natin yan, bibigyan natin dito ng ideas, technical analysis perspective dito, ayan, as well as yung stage 2 nila na kung saan yung next season nila that introduce more rewards, no? At bagong product release nga dito, as well as itong VIP Plus, ayan. So for this one, VIP Plus exclusive, no? 100,000 USDT prize pool and Premier League tickets dito. You can just apply. Lalagay ko yung mga official link sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. So for now, punta muna tayo dito, and bago tayo dito guys magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So, ayun nga, binigyan natin ng update itong si Grass. Marami mga nakakuha dito, especially mga early, mga active, daming mga nakapag-claim. So, congrats kagad doon. Abang-abang sa ating giveaway, sa ating Telegram, and ipopost ko yung mechanics anytime soon doon sa ating Telegram group. Pwede kayo doon na mag-join, no? So, for now guys, pag-uusapan natin itong stage 2 nila, which is yung kanilang network nga, na they have this set nung stage to reclaim the public web, no? Web search ngayon is like Bing and like Brave search as well as Google. So ito, isa sa mga promising yung pinaka-update nila dito. The focus is now on capturing the web, building a user-owned map of the internet. The next season introduce more rewards and bagong product release nga, such as live context retrieval, which is the LRC, hardware, the rollout of the Grass mobile app, and di natin alam kung ano yung next. Pero as per checking dun guys sa kanilang tokenomics, ang ganda ng kanilang tokenomics, I would say guys, no? As well as yung pinaka idea nung pinaka-project, which is in the next coming maybe months in the future, AI data centers like Grass will probably utilize and can be useful for our like daily activities, no? So yun, if we observe yung mga AI robots, yung Optimus, like yung last month with the Elon Musk presentation. So, yung mga yan guys, meron yan tinatawag na data centers, yung storage na kung saan kinukuha yung data, ibabato doon sa robot to be like humanoid, no? Para makapag-interact, para makasagot, para gumalaw, no? So, yun yung isa sa mga examples nakikita ko dito. And yung AI guys, data centers, like for example, itong model ni Grass is like, it's very important yan to just store, retrieve, and execute data, no? So yun, promising ito guys na update. Siguro dun sa mga nagtatanong, I don't know if sa stage to mamimigay pa sila, pero on my own opinion lang, since airdrop is not totally guaranteed, it's purely speculation guys, no? Like for example, I give this update for the past couple of months, 9-10 months ago. Hindi ko naman in-expect na magkakaroon ng airdrop itong si Grass guys, no? I just believe in the project, we'll see. And nagkaroon siya ng airdrop, no? Ang dami nakakuha na ito, sobrang laki, kaya as mentioned kanina, congratulations. So ito, kaabang-abang itong stage 2. Yung official link ni Grass, lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. So punta naman tayo dito sa price action. Ang current price action niya is nasa 1.13 cents guys, no? Ito. So nagkaroon dito ng pag-retrace sa downside after namalis, no? So like for example, 0.618 yung tinamaan eh. Itong area na to, which is ito yung tinatawag natin na golden ratio. If ever na tumama yung price action niyan, there's a high probability ng bounce, no? It will act as support kasi yung 0.618, 0.5, itong mga area na ito. Try ito sometimes if sobrang momentum yung price action, normally retracement lang is around 382, no? Around this area lang. Pero ito guys, it's a good confirmation sang retracement ito. 0.618. And as per checking nga dito, lagay tayo ng Feb extension. This is only a probability guys. Now, again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as investment or financial advice. Hope you get some updates dito and insights, especially dun sa mga nagtatanong and dun sa mga nakakuha. Congrats, no? Paulit-ulit na ako. Pero yeah, punta muna tayo dito. Ayan, so I'll draw Feb extension lang just to check yung probability ng next resistance, no? So, like for example, this one, if ever man na ganito yung dito, we'll start sa impulse tapos dito sa corrective guys, no? Tapos kunin natin yung 1.618, we can see 1.64. Hopefully tamaan guys, pero this is only a probability scenario, no? So meron pa tayo dito mga potential retest, pero we'll see. But then again guys, yun yung mention ko kanina, ay potential use case nitong si Grass, no, in the future, and hopefully maging success ito kasi downside guys, bigay ko dito yung negative side. I don't want to be totally biased sa upside kasi once na magkaroon dito ng retest, maybe ito guys, na retest na, and if ever na ma-reject, maybe we can see another 0.618 retracement, which is hitting around 98-97 cents guys, no? Itong zone na ito, which is or will act as a support area for the price action nitong si Grass nga guys, no? So yun, 98 cents, 97 can be extend yan within this area around, I would say 92 cents. So yun, we'll see guys, no? Kasi we can see some good volume dito despite na may mga airdrop, no? Upon observation, yung mga venture capitalist, yung kanilang funding rounds naman, maganda yung pinaka-vesting schedule. So isa din yon sa nagpaangat ng price action dahil maganda yung settings, maganda yung strategy ng team. So yun, hope you get some insights dito sa price action itong si Grass. Punta naman tayo dito guys sa bagong update. Yung official link na ito guys, itong ginagamit natin, ilalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito. Meron din silang VIP Plus member exclusive, ayan, and Premier League tickets, no? So andito yung mga perks if ever man na mag-apply ka for VIP. Lalagay ko yung official link guys sa description ng video na ito. You can use Crypto Fortune kung saan nyo nakita itong pinaka-update guys, no? So ito yung pinaka-perks, no? So plus relationship manager, meron kang personalized service with a dedicated account manager, welcome gift, no? Ang daming mga merch na pinamigay dito. Meron mga McLaren merch as well, OKX McLaren. Maganda yung pinaka tela, maganda yung quality. Sabi nga dito, officially become VIP Plus and enjoy USDT bonus na reward, no? Meron pa sila ditong bonus na reward. Welcome merchandise, ito. Meron sila mga tumbler, bags, t-shirt, cap, and exclusive VIP limited edition OKX merchandise nga guys. Tapos mga personalized gift dito. Meron silang annual gathering din. Yun, like for example, VIP lunch and gathering nga guys, no? So once a year, gather OKX exclusive VIP Plus users. Hopefully kasama tayo dyan and we can talk each other guys, no? So that's the good thing na IRL, and we can share ideas on the spot, we can share ideas personal guys, no? So insights dito, plus exclusive community. Yan, merong OKX VIP community and become part of the family, no? Meron din sila ditong surprise perks, benefit, and mastery rewards, no? Exclusive benefit, online seminars, ayan, gain valuable insights. Last time I invited just to share my ideas, experience, insights in crypto space. So ito, isa sa mga magandang features and updates dito. Industry report, stay informed with regular updates and trending topics, market insights. This one is good as well, just to have this update, insights, and heads up sa end natin guys, no? Ito pa, exclusive opportunity to collaborate with OKX Ventures, unlock collaborate with OKX Venture team, Premier League match date tickets. Ito, F1 race guys, no? Kung mahilig kayo sa F1, like Singapore, like 2049 sa sila sa title sponsor. And yung mga VIP andun sa F1 race, kitang-kita mo talaga yung pinaka F1 track, yung mga humaharurot doon na mga sasakyan ng F1 nga guys. So elevate your game with our ultimate VIP package. Immerse yourself in the thrill of Premier League matchday VIP box tickets and attend McLaren F1 races guys. This is good update doon sa iba na may mga potential aspiring VIP na hindi nakikredit na other platform. Dito pwede kayong mag-join, pwede nyo i-utilize ito guys, no? So yun, you can just explore this one guys. Meron pa sila ditong USDT rewards, no, if ever na meron kayong certain allocation dito or certain assets sa inyong account guys, no? So pwede nyo itong explore. Lagay ko sa description ng video na ito yung official link, and hope you get some insights dito, updates, ideas guys, no? So kay Grass, yung price action niya, and yung stage 2 update nila, as well as itong VIP Plus exclusive na you can get rewards, mga perks, exclusive perks, and amazing potentials and benefit dito guys, no? So yun lang for today guys. Hope you get some insights dito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.